guys. So quick change of plans. I'm going now. Hello good people of the internet, and welcome to the channel. It's been a couple of weeks since I made an update, so I thought it was good to do one. I haven't really felt like doing any filming or stuff like that, so yeah, that's the absence of videos, the explanation for that. But there's been stuff going on here. I haven't had that much time either to film a lot, but yeah, what I want to do today is I'm just going to show you. I'm going to pack up the boat for this season. It's October, almost oh, sorry, it's September, almost October. We're at the end of September here, and it's getting colder outside. Not really that very good boating weather. Today is a good day though. My plan is to go down to the boat today and just finish off the last bits and pieces before I drive it away to the storage for the winter storage. Would have been a good day to do it today, but I need to go to work earlier this evening, so I really don't want to risk being stuck somewhere out to sea in case something happens with the boat. I haven't driven it for a while, and so I did some upgrades since the last video. I'll probably put it in here in the video somewhere. I changed some stuff on the fueling lines, the bilge pump, or not bilge pump, the prime pump, and some other stuff, a new water filter for the fuel system also. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. I've been out with the boat just a little bit, but now all of the boats in here, excuse the mess, but it's everything from the boat has been taken up here. I got the solar panels disconnected, the new ones, they're here. And I have been messing around with the my sewing machine. And I've been doing a little bit of tweaking here. I made a new roofing, a capelle. I put out the name down here. I can't really find the word for it right now. What I did was I took apart, or I took the loose, the old one, what that was covering the boat, and I just made a copy on I think it's called a tarp, pressändning in Swedish. I put the words here also if I find the right ones. Just made a copy of it. I made some sewing with it with the sewing machine. I put these, I don't know what these are called in English, but they're the ones that the whole roofing is stuck to the boat. So I put some of those in there also, and yeah, I've been fitting it just one time. I took it down to the boat, I tried it on. It's a little bit Yankee, but I fixed some with these Velcro stuff, and yeah, you'll see it. I'll put it down on the boat, and yeah, it's gonna be like a winter roof thing, because I need to take down the blue one, the regular one that's on there, because it's quite broken since this summer season. So I need to fix that up, and I have my sewing machine, so yeah, I'll do some fixing with that. Yeah, so I'm gonna refuel the boat today also, because I need to have a full gas tank. And where did I put it? Oh, I put it here. I bought this thingy here, which I think could be quite cool. It's a fuel pump that you stick down into the spare gas tank, and you get an extra hose with an electric pump, so I can just easier refuel the boat from my 20 liter extra tank. I don't have to like hoist it up, and a lot of spillage and stuff going on. So yeah, so we're gonna put some batteries in this bad boy, and we're gonna try it out. But first we're gonna go down to the boat, so I'll see you there. And here we are down at the boat. It's an echo down here. It's so empty, nothing left here. All the stuff is gone. Except for some batteries and stuff like that, which I'm gonna remove. And I'm actually looking at the weather. It looks really good. I'm trying to speed things up here a little bit. Let's see if I can maybe drive the boat back today. Actually, I got actually have some time to do it. If I can get this done really fast, I'll probably be able to drive the back boat already today. Otherwise I'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah, but first things first, we're gonna take down the old roofing here, the blue one, and put up the new one. So I'll just do that and show you what it looks like. Yeah, but first, before we do anything else, look at this boy. It is on and it is pumping. Phew! Awesome. That's so nice. It looks like it goes really fast also. I put it on like 30 seconds ago. It's almost down to half. That's pretty good. Okay, yeah guys, so quick change of plans. I'm going now, yeah, because the weather is good and I do actually have some time to get back to work. So engine is running, let's go and leave the boat for the winter storage. Okay, so we are at the place where I'm gonna do the winter storage. So the little lady is back here. She's got her new roofing on back here, and yeah, it's a lovely day. It feels a little bit sad to store her away for the winter, but that's life. Tomorrow's gonna be rain, so this was a good day to go. Yeah, I'm going home. Yeah, and now I'm back home, and this is a couple of weeks later. Actually, I haven't really had time to do much filming and editing, and yeah, what have you. Things have just been going on full time with work in the clown world and everything. Yeah, so now the boat is on the up on land, up on dry land. It's at the winter storage, maybe at the winter storage. That's how I say it. It's going to be there until I guess maybe late April next year. So a couple of months. It feels really sad. I'm just sitting here and yeah, editing the video you are just watching, and yeah. Every time I go to the video footage of me riding the boat back to the winter storage, it feels really sad because I miss the boat so much. So another couple of months before I get the boat back in the water, and yeah. So I got some stuff to do, as you saw earlier. I got the boat cover, the roof, whatever you want to call it, the blue one, the old one, or the regular one, which is always up there on the boat. So I'm going to use my sewing machine to fix that up and stitch together all the stuff that got broken this summer. So I got some nice stuff to do there. Yeah, interesting. I'm going to put up some figures here also. I need to check how much solar we actually produced or harvested, or whatever you want to call it, this year. I'm going to put it up here. I'm shortly going to look at my phone here. Put up some statistics for you, so you see the total amount of solar that we have been harvesting this summer for the boat and everything, and it's been working really good. The camera, the last couple of weeks before I drove it back to the winter storage, there was some really bad days with not that much sun, and I think also the battery that I have been using for a couple of years now, I think it's gone a little bit bad. So as soon as it drops below like around 70% of state of charge, it really struggles to get recharged again up to 100%. So it was pendling a little bit between like 65-70%, and the camera was going on and off. The Raspberry Pi with its extra batteries worked really good though. So whenever the battery voltage went low, the Raspberry Pi with its extra little backup battery system kicked in. So I always had like internet connectivity. I could see that the battery is going down, and yeah. So monitoring has been good. Camera been running, I would say, like 99.2% of all the time it's been up there. So it's been really good surveillance. Nobody has been in the boat this summer. That's really good, because almost every summer somebody has been down there and messing around and taking stuff or destroying something. So nothing like that happened this summer. So I'm pretty pleased with that. And I'll also put up here, I'm prepared for this clip. I'm going to put up here also some statistics of how many nautical miles I traveled this summer. Maybe the time also, how many hours I've been running in the boat, if I can get some good stats on that. But the nautical miles I put down here, so you see how much I've been traveling with the boat this summer. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little compilation of things that have been happening for almost a few months now. So yeah, I'll see if I get back to making more videos a little bit more regular, if I have something cool to show you. Maybe we'll check the Bitcoin miner, which I haven't been running that much actually. Yeah, but I'll do a video about that also, the Avalon Nano. Spoiler alert, I didn't get a lot of money with it, but we can go through that in another video. So dudes, until next time, until the next video, I hope everybody's doing awesome, and yeah, stay cool dudes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.